What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike Sieben. Welcome to the channel where we talk about everything Amazon FBA. Today's video is a little bit of a different spin from the normal videos. Today we're going to be talking Canadian credit cards for business owners, which cards are best. We're going to take a look at 3 different cards, 3 of my favorites, and I'm going to share with you why they are the best in their categories in my opinion, and we're going to do a quick dive on each, and we're going to figure out from what lenders they're from and what sweet benefits that we can see with these cards. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so as I mentioned, today's video is all about credit cards for business. I'm going to take you through a couple of different categories. First, we're going to look at my favorite for points. We're going to look at my favorite for cashback. And then we're going to also look at the card that we primarily use for our Amazon business and why. If you guys like my content, do not forget to smash that like button. Make sure that you are also subscribed to the channel. That helps me out absolutely immensely here at this channel, and it's 100% free and easy for you to do. So make sure you guys are doing that down for me here below. All right, so talking about these credit cards. So first we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the best points credit card, in my opinion, that is available and what offer is currently available on the table from them. So as we can see here, I have up the TD First Class Travel Visa Infinite card. So this is one of the better cards when it comes to points, and they actually have a really good limited time offer right now. So you can earn up to 60,000 TD points. So they're advertising that as a travel value of $300. So right now, this limited time offer is comprised of a couple of different things. So if you were to apply by May 2021, you get a full annual rebate. So that's always awesome to get your annual fee covered for the first year, and then you can go ahead and just move on to a new card and never actually have to pay that annual fee. So first year is on them. You get a welcome bonus of the 20,000 points when you make your first purchase, and then the other 40,000 to make up the 60,000 is when you spend $1,500 within 90 days. So that's an average of just $500 a month. So whether you're using it for business or personal, obviously business would be very easy to hit this when you're using it to run your business. And this can be any expense whatsoever, but if you were using this for personal, then you just have to put, $500 per month on this, and then you unlock the 60,000 points. So taking a look at a little bit of the at a glance, so you can redeem your TD points for travel related purchases. So very standard to what most banks or most card issuers plans are. They have their own point system. You can essentially use your points to go on and effectively canceling out those purchases and being able to travel for free. So it looks like a very standard program, no travel blackouts, no seat restrictions, no expiry, anything like that. They have really good travel insurance, so it's all the standard trip cancellation, trip interruption. I won't go into those details because all of these cards are going to be very similar in those types of coverages. So it's all about the point system, the cashback system, and the upfront perks with these cards. And then breaking down how you earn the points going forward after the introductory offers. You get 3 points for every dollar that you spend, 9 points when you book online through their Expedia program, and then the points will actually never expire. So then they go on to do a calculator and everything like that. So I like this a lot because a lot of the time you see 1 point per dollar, although it takes twice as many points versus most programs that you'll see out there. You actually earn 3 per every dollar, so you're a little bit ahead than if you were using a 10 point to a $1 ratio. This is, in my opinion, the best card for points available right now in Canada. All right, so the best cashback card in my opinion right now, as you can see, is the Simply Cash Preferred card from American Express. So American Express is notorious for giving really good introductory offers and then very competitive ongoing offers. So this one comes in an annual fee of just $99, and then they give some other information. So right now, the new Simply Cash preferred card. You can earn up to 10% cash back on all eligible purchases up to $400 in the first 4 months. So you can earn 10% of whatever you spend. So if you spend $4,000 within the first 4 months, you get up to $400 cash back, and then you get 2% cash back when the welcome rate ends. So if you're using this for business and you're putting all of your business expenses on, say you're running an Amazon business, you're putting all of your inventory on this card, you're able to probably very easily spend that $4,000 and get your $400 cash back quite quickly. And then after that, you're actually earning a 2% cash back on all of your purchases. So if you spend $100,000 on inventory in an entire year, you're getting $2,000 back in straight cash or credit to your credit card. So a lot of the time here in Canada, we don't see cashback cards over 1%, maybe 1.5%. So this is a really rare one where they're actually offering 2% on an ongoing basis. So this is a great opportunity, specifically if you're using this card for business, because you tend to have a lot bigger purchases when you're running a business, and an Amazon business is no exception to that. So this can be a great alternative if you're in Canada and looking for some really good cash back rewards. Highly recommend this card. So the last category is the card that we use in our own business, and that is going to be the Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite. So although we have a couple of different cards that we actually use for Amazon business, this is going to be by far our primary card, and they have a pretty good introductory offer on right now. Earn up to 40,000 reward points in your first year. So again, that's up to $400 towards travel. We looked at the TD one, you get 300 points, but they have a better ongoing system. And then this is 40,000, a little bit less of an ongoing system. And then it seems that they actually have a bonus right now as well. So the bonus would be earning 10,000 bonus Scotia reward points when you spend at least $40,000 normal purchases. So in an entire year, if you're spending an average of above $4,000 in your business on inventory, expenses, whatever that might be, this card could make a lot of sense. You could get a lot of really cool bonus perks that get you up to that $400 worth of travel. It has a little bit higher of an annual fee at $139. So this is all well and good, but the number one reason why we use this card is it's going to be the best card for you that has no foreign transaction fees. To my knowledge, I'm not aware of another card that actually has 0 foreign transaction fees. Most have really good cashback or point systems that are better than the transaction fee. So in the end, you end up with a net gain, but this one actually has 0 foreign transaction fees. So we can buy with confidence when we're using this to purchase inventory and expenses that we have, pay for those in the US, because there is truly 0 foreign exchange fee on this card. And because our business as Canadians is primarily focused on the .com or US marketplace for Amazon, we are buying a lot of inventory from US suppliers in US dollars. Therefore, we're able to leverage this card. This card has been really good for us because we've been able to, grow our business leveraging credit and avoid paying those foreign transaction fees as we grow our business south of the border. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. This has been the top 3 best credit cards for running a business in 2021. If you guys like this content, please do not forget to smash that like button. Also, make sure that you are subscribed, hitting that notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post a new video. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you're having a fantastic day, and peace.